Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Dacia Sandero. If you're curious about its performance, features, and what makes it stand out, stick around. But first, let's set the stage. What makes a car truly remarkable? Is it style, affordability, or perhaps performance? The Dacia Sandero is here to challenge our expectations. Now, let's talk design. The 2025 model has a bold new look. How does it compare to its predecessors? With sleek lines and a modern aesthetic, it's hard not to notice. But does it still scream practicality? Absolutely. The spacious interior is a game changer. Moving on to performance. So, how does the Sandero handle on the road? With its efficient engines and responsive handling, it promises an exhilarating drive. Are you wondering about fuel efficiency? The 2025 Sandero boasts impressive mileage, making it a smart choice for your wallet. What about technology? Is it keeping up with competitors? The Sandero comes equipped with the latest infotainment system, intuitive controls, and even safety features that put your mind at ease. How does this enhance your driving experience? You'll stay connected and secure, all while enjoying the ride. And here's the big question. Is the Dacia Sandero worth it? With its affordable price tag, you get exceptional value without sacrificing quality. Isn't that what every driver desires? So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Dacia Sandero the perfect blend of style, performance, and value? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.